Hey, what's up, my man? Let's talk about what your Facebook ads doesn't work and 5 ways to solve it so you stop sucking. Hey guys, what's up? Hernan Vazquez here, and on this video, I wanted to tell you a little bit about how to improve your Facebook ads. Or, in other words, how you have 5 ways to make your Facebook ads less and less sucky. One of the main things that I get on the group is, Hernan, how can I make my Facebook ads better? I tried filming me in the shower and putting that on Facebook. I tried a photo of my cat with a mice in his mouth that he just hunted, and I tried to take a picture of a pancake, but then my mobile phone fell down on the pancake, so it doesn't look like a pancake picture at all, and they don't work. Can you tell me why? So here I'm gonna tell you how to actually make your Facebook advertising work better with these 5 simple steps. Let's just make it happen. So with that said, you can also come and join the free Facebook group. How many times I'm gonna need to mention for you to come and join the free Facebook group? There's nothing Machiavelli going on here. It's just a free Facebook group. It's completely innocent. I swear to God, it's on Facebook. It's PG-13-ish. So you can come and join. There's a lot of good people in it. There's not gonna be any asking for money, maybe just a little bit, but not a lot of asking for money. And you will get a lot of free value as well. If you really want to grow your business, like you really, you have this feeling here in the belly that goes up and goes down and you burp, wanting to grow your business, that's probably a condition, so you want to see a doctor. But in any case, if you really want to grow your business, you should hit that subscribe button, because magic things will happen if you hit it. Just hit it once, not more than once, because it's gonna unsubscribe you. You don't want to try that. So let's jump into the 5 steps on how to actually make your Facebook advertising better. Again, one of the main pet peeves of many of the folks that are on the Facebook group is how to actually make the Facebook advertising work. And there's basically 5 steps that you can use right now, today, to actually make your Facebook ads better. Starting with the image. The image is the number one asset that you can have on your Facebook ads. And what you want to do is, on the image, is to have a pattern interrupt. So there's going to be an example over here somewhere by the power of editing, and you will see on this example that I'm using an image that has nothing to do with the product that I'm promoting. On this ad, I'm promoting my book, Perpetual Profits, but there's not a picture of the book. There's not a picture of profit, just a picture of me. So what you wanna do with the image is to kind of interrupt the pattern. It has to have stopping power. And the same with videos, right? You don't wanna go ahead and say, hey guys, this is the book, go get it, it's amazing. No, that's gonna bore you to death, and you're actually gonna die by watching these videos, so don't watch it. But what I'm saying is, you want to have images or videos with stopping power. So you want to have some kind of pattern interrupt, and unexpectedness is also how it is known in the higher circles of Harvard, of course. But you want to have that stopping power. Here's a pro tip: jack up the contrast of your images. Like, it really stands out, in contrast with the white background on Facebook. So jack up the contrast on the images. You can do this with Canva or with Photoshop, whatever, and it will actually help you increase in your click-through rate. So now that you have an image that has some sort of pattern interrupt or some sort of stopping power, the next step is to actually call out your marketplace. On the first line of copy that you write needs to be calling out your marketplace. So for example, for my book, again, it's gonna be an example here. For my book, I'm saying something like, hey, do you wanna get more clients but you feel the marketplace is overcrowded? You see what I did there? I'm calling out my marketplace because people that wanna get more clients online, but they feel some way, shape, or form of, they're feeling overwhelmed or they're feeling frustrated because they cannot reach their target marketplace. They feel that there's too much competition out there. So I'm calling them out. That's step number 2. Call them out. Pair that with a stopping power image, and you could potentially have a really deadly combo. So people would click on it and then they would blow up, and a lot of millions of dollars going your way. Number 3 is storytelling. And if you ever watched any kind of fun advertising on TV, or if you go back and watch the Super Bowl ads from last year, there's a lot of storytelling going on. And by storytelling, I also mean hopping in emotions. So if I were to tell you how bad I was initially at getting new clients, how sucky I was at saying no, how piece of crap clients I used to get, I will be actually telling you a story. And stories work really, really well. And if you pair that with emotion in your copy, it works really, really well as well to increase the click-through rate of your advertising. Now, with that said, the image, the bigger the emotion on the image, the bigger the stopping power it has. By that I mean you want to have aspirational and native images. Native meaning that they don't look like an ad, right? They look like just me hanging out on the beach in this case. But aspirational meaning that they have a lot of emotion to it. So if you see this, it's just a guy hanging out on the beach, you know, chilling, and then you could say that I'm reaping the rewards of having an internet business, which is push button, make $1 million. That's not true. But this is kind of the picture that's working the best for my book. So again, storytelling and emotions, there needs to be a place. Call out your marketplace. I'm doing it the other way around, but again, emotions and storytelling, call out your marketplace and have a really good image that's aspirational and has stopping power as well. The next thing, step number 4, is to actually get some simplicity going. You don't want to overcomplicate your ads. I have this specific cheat sheet that you can download. It's gonna make your life so much easier, and it's basically follow the steps, check the boxes, and you will have an unstoppable Facebook ad. So simplicity is also really important. You wanna convey the message as simply, as powerfully as possible. And this cheat sheet right here is gonna help you achieve just that, and it's completely free to download. There's gonna be a link somewhere that you can download really, really quickly. And number 5, some things that you can use that really increase the conversion rate of your ad and the click-through rate of your ad is social proof or credibility. You know, social proof are basically saying testimonials or actual data that you can add. Did you know that 58% of people went to sleep without washing their teeth last year, according to the Institute of Teeth Washery in the US? So that's a hard and fact data, and don't quote me on that because, you know, that's just BS. But that's a hard and fast data that you can use. Or B, you can just say, Hernan changed my life. Okay, something like that. That's a real testimonials that you can use, and that will increase the click-through rate of your ad several times. So again, let's just recap. Number 1, stopping power images with high contrast. Number 2, calling out your marketplace. That works really, really well on the first line. Number 3, storytelling. That storytelling again can be on your copy, on your image, and on your video. Number 4, simplicity. You want to convey the message as simply and powerfully as possible. Number 5, social proof. That comes in the shape of data or testimonials. So again, there's going to be a link somewhere around here so that you can download my perfect Facebook ad cheat sheet. It's going to literally walk you through the step-by-step system that I use to put out amazing Facebook ads no matter what I'm selling. If I'm selling kitten socks or if I'm selling a book about how to make more money online, it works just as fine, okay? So this is the spreadsheet, the cheat sheet right here, and you can download it by clicking on the link somewhere around here. And I also want to invite you to join the free Facebook group. It's completely free, and you're gonna love the content and the people that's within that Facebook group. Make sure though that when you click on the link to join the Facebook group, you answer the questions, because otherwise you will be kicked out and cast away from your home. People will come and evict you, and you don't want to do that, right? Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. Once again, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.